Hi guys, welcome to Android CRUD system step-by-step tutorial. In our last class we saw how to add the records and how to view the records on list view. In this tutorial I am going to teach how to edit and delete records. Here this is the while loop close here. After that we have to write here is what I am going to do is here if you click view records it goes here. If you click this record for edit, this record should be goes to the next activity. Okay, so what I am going to do is so that I go to the view.java, this one here. I am going to get this property, this one, list view li1. Here I am going this variable I am equal into this list box here. This variable I am going to get here list1 dot set on click listener. When the listener click on the particular list, this record goes to the another activity. So here dot set on click listener new. Here we have to write adapter view, this one, on click listener. If you press enter key, it automatically generated these codes itself. Now here we have to write we have to create string. We have to create the variable AA. Any variable you can create here. I just create as AA. Here titles mean that this record titles, all the records are stored in this title array. So here title dot get here we have to write as a here we have a position dot toString. Here we have to check what happened here. Now I'm going to test the things so it is easy for you all to understand. Toss make text. Here we have to write as a get application context. We have to pass this variable here. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. After that we have to write here as comma toast dot length long. So we have to write as a dot show. Right like this. Now here we can execute the program and check. Now here if you click view, these are the records. If you click this record you can see the toast here. If you click this row you can show the row here. Okay, you can see the record successfully. You select the record successfully, show on the toast message look like this. Okay, that's why we have to put this one, right, variable, and we have to set the positions. Now I'm going to create the edit form and delete form. So I'm going to go to the app, right click, new. Here we have to go to the activity, empty activity. You have to create this one as a edit. I'm going to do edit and delete, both are done by same form. So click finish. Right, now your form has been created. Now go to the layout. It's still creating. Right here this is a layout folder. Inside the layout folder there is a file activity edit, right, this one. Double click on this one. This is the default one. Now what I'm going to do is here the same form here, the same layout I'm going to create here. Which layout? This main, the same layout I'm going to create in this form also. So I no need to create again by again. I have created already. So what I'm going to do is here First I'm going to go to the activity edit this one, go, and here I'm going to go to the text. I'm going to make this one as a linear layout. First we can change it as a linear layout. After that we have to change this one as a orientation vertical and gravity center. This is the thing we have to make first. After that, go to the here you have to copy from here to this layout. Inside the linear layout, this layout, here you have to copy from the closing tag. It is closing here, you have to copy here. Okay, now here copy and paste the activity.edit, right? Here you have to paste it. Now it's successfully pasted. Now you can check the design. Here it designed successfully. Here I am going to do the edit part. Right. Now what I am going to do is here, go to the Java folder, select this one. This is edit. This one edit. Double click on this one and go to the code view. Here what I am going to do is the same thing I am going to copy here as well. Go to the main activity. This is how we can add the record, the same code. Control C to copy, edit also, Control V to paste here, the same thing. We have to create the variables, the same thing. After that what I am going to do is here, the same name here also. Control C to copy. Here I am going to go to the edit. We have to paste inside the one crate, right? Because I have copied this activity from the main activity, so that we same thing, same here. I no need to change anything else. After that we have to do this one. This one we don't copy. Set on click listener, first button on click listener. Here I am going to change the button as, here edit, we have to change the button as not okay. Here we have to change the button name as one is here. This one should be edit. This one should be delete. We have two buttons, right? Okay, edit, delete, right? Now here what I am going to do is the first button b1 dot set on click listener, new view on click listener. If you press enter key, it automatically generate the on click. Here button 1 mean this is this one, edit. Button 2 mean delete. So here I'm going to create the separate function for that. The same thing like main activity. Go to the main activity. What I'm going to do is here we have to go to the insert, this one, public void, this one. Here we have to copy the insert code, the same code. Control C to copy. It is starting from this bracket to this bracket. Okay, you have to copy this code and paste on the edit.java here. So you have to paste here after this bracket. Control V to paste them. Click OK. Now here instead of insert, you have to write as a edit. Okay, this function you have to write. Now here I am not going to add the record, so we have to edit the record. So we no need this one also. We have to remove them, right? After that we need only this one. This query we have to change it as a edit. So remove the insert query. Here we have to write as a edit query here. Update. You have to update the record. What is the table name? Records is a table name. Here records is a table we have created. We have to update records. Set first column mean which column we have first we are going to edit is we have to write as a name equal question mark, after that comma course equal question mark, after that fee equal question mark. So where we have to write the prepare statement like this, where id equal question mark. Right, these values are coming from which page? This view page, when the viewer click this view page. Okay, so you write like this. After that we have to these things are the same, name, course and fee. Here you have to create another additional one. For that, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one for the this one for id here, id. This one 1 mean this, 2, 3, 4 mean id. Right, this is a thing we have to write. Okay, now here we have to write another column. We have to create another column. I forgot to create it. Go to the edit page here, edit layout. Here I need another column because id also I am getting here. So here we have to go here above activity edit.xml. Here we have to copy this is the name, this is the name. Okay, this is the name layout, this is a name layout, this layout, name layout. So here this layout, Control C to copy, here Control V to paste above. Right, this one should be id. We have to change the text as id, Android text as we have to change it as id. Right, that's the thing we have to write here. Now additional field id should be created here. Right, after that here what I am going to do is, here I am going to get the id also, id also. So you have to write an additional one, ed4. Here also we have to get the ed4 equal find view by id or dot id. Right, we have to get the id. Okay, that's the thing we have to do. Right, after that what I am going to do is, here also we have to get the id. So Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, id. This one should be ed4. Right, the same id I am throwing here. Okay, id should be we need for updating the record. How to update the record? If you select the row, the id should be primary, so you can get the id. So that I have created additional one here, id. Okay, the same id we are getting here. How to get here? We have to write another variable ed4. After that ed4 find by id, we have to get this id. This id we have getting here, this code we have to get here, this one, this id we have to give Android id with the name he give is id, we have to get here. After that we have to assign to the variable. I created the variable id, assigned to this id we are passing to here for update. Okay, that's the thing we have to do. Right, here this time record is not added, updated. The simple one you have to write. Okay, this only we have to write, this only. Okay, now we Control C to copy this one, edit. We have to put into this on click here. Right, this is the one you have to put. Right, that's the only thing you have to do. After that what I am going to do is, here go to the view.java page, .java. Here we already wrote the toast message to show the data. When the user click on this one, by which row selected, it will be shown on the toast. Now this record should be passing to the next activity. So what I am going to do is, here remove the toast. For the testing purpose we put the toast, so we no need a toast, so we have to write the student class here, student, this class student stu mean this one, stu equal stud dot get position. We have to set the position for that. Get position, we have to set the position for that. Here we have to write as like this. Intent, we have to set the position and sending to the next activity. So intent, if you send the next activity any values, you have to write a intent. Okay, equal new intent get application context comma which form you are sending the value, edit form dot class. Right, that's the thing we have to write here. After that write a I mean this one object dot put extra equal, we have to set the things. ID we have to set into comma stu dot id here, this one. Right, here you write as a id. This id mean stu id, this id we have set into here. Okay, these values go there and get the values. Okay, go here. Right, the same thing we have to set the remaining stuff. What is there here? No need this one. Right, now Control C to copy, use put extra to send the value one activity to another activity. Okay, this is how we have sending. This one should be name, sorry, course, not course, name, this should be name we are sending. After that course, this should be course. Here we are sending the fee, this one should be fee. That's it, that's the thing we have to do. After that we have to write a start activity I. Right, that's the thing we have to write. This one we have to call here. It's automatically go to next page. These values we are retrieving edit.java. So go to the edit.java page. Here I'm going to retrieving the data. So here I'm going to equal into the data. Here what I'm going to do is, here I'm going to set into this variables. So here I'm going to write as a intent I equal get intent, like this. After that we have to write a string, you have to write a text box data. So first one we have to write a t1 equal, we have to write as a I dot get string extra, this one we have to write as a id, first one id dot toString we have to convert as a toString. Right, write as a toString. Right, after that we copy this one, Control C to copy, Control V to paste this 4 data, this 2 3 4. Okay, you are sending the data here. This data we are retrieving this edit.java page. Okay, so here this one should be name course. Here we have to fee, we have to set like this. That's the thing we have to write. Okay, once you select the list which item you are going to edit, this the particular item will be sending to edit.java page. Here it will be retrieving and setting to these variables. Right, these variables we are going to set into this variables, because this name, should be this name, this ID of this name should be stored in this variable ed1 dot variable. ed2 mean course, ed3 mean fee, ed4 mean id. Right, so here what I am going to do is, here first one should be T1 mean ID, ID mean ed4. Here what I am going to do is this variable ed4 dot set text. We have to store the ID. First one should be here ID. So we have to this one. We have to set here. Right, first one should be ID. Second one should be name. Name should be here. This text box. So ed1 dot set text. Right as a name. T2. Right. Third one should be 2 mean this one T3. T3 mean sorry this course which one ed2 mean this course T3. Right. After that Control C to copy, Control V to paste. ed3 mean phi mean T4. Right. This how we set it. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Okay, it's very easy stuff. So let's run the program and check. Right, now let's go to the right here. Now here if you click view, let's go to view here. If you click this one, I am going to edit. If you click this one, it successfully display here. Here ID 3 Raja C#.NET 12. So again we are going to check this one. If you click this one, ID should be 4, Nimal, PHP, and now I already wrote the edit code as well. Now let's edit as this one as a Java. Of course I am going to change as Java. Click edit button. Record updated. Now let's check. It's working fine or not. This one should be. We didn't see it. Let's close. Now the record is updated, but it didn't show on the list view. So if I reload this one again, if you run the app, if you go here, click view, it will be shown. Okay, it shows successfully. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show itself. I'm going to create another button. So go to the edit, this one, design. Here next to the edit button, delete button, I'm going to create another button for back. If you click this back button, it's back to list view. So click next here. This is the button layout. This is the delete button. This delete button layout. The button we have to copy this one. Control C to copy. Control V to paste below. Here you have to change the name as back. This one ID we have to do the name as BT1, BT3. Sorry, BT3. Right. That's the thing we have to write. Here it's changed like this. Okay. Now if you want, you can change the color as well. Background color you can change. For you have to background change as here, this one will change. Right. Right here it's dark. Right. Now here, now what I'm going to do is here, go to the edit.java. Here I'm going to create another variable b3. So b3, we have to write b3 equal find view by id r.id dot bt3. Here we have to set the button to this variable. Now here what I am going to do is here I am going to set on click listener for this button. So we have to write as a here, so write b3 dot set on click listener new view. Press enter key on your keyboard, it automatically generates the on click view. Here we have to write the code for that. What is the code? You have to write as a intent. You have to write intent code. So this same code you have to write here. This is how you can same code. Control C to copy. Control C to copy this one intent. So here go to the edit page. We have to paste. Control V to paste inside the on click here. Here this is intent we have used to goes to the view class activity. So we have to write a intent which activity goes view. So we have to write a view. Here we have to write as a start activity I. It goes right. That's the thing we have to write. It's a back button. We are writing the code for the back button. So this button we have to write the code. Once you done the edit, if you click back, it goes to the list view. So view data, right? Now let's check. If you click run the program, run, right, it works, right. Now here view, go here. If you want to this one, I am going to edit this one. If you click this one, here is the records display. Now I am going to change the couple of changes. I am going to change this person. I am going to add as a Java PHP. Cost fees I am going to change it as a 25,000. I'm going to change. Click edit button. Record updated. Click back. Here it's successfully changed. PHP 25,000. If you want to change this one, if you click this, if you want to edit one this Java 2, I'm going to as a bb.net. Course fees I am going to edit as 10,000. Click edit button, record updated, click back. Now you can see here it's successfully edited. Right. Now I'm going to I'm going to teach the delete stuff. Okay, let me see how to delete the records. So go to the edit.java here. The second button, this button, I'm going to write the code now for the delete. So this one for B2. So here we have to write the B2 button. So here you have to write a B2 dot set on click listener new view on click listener, right. Successfully we have to wrote. Now here what I'm going to do is here I'm not writing the code with the button, I'm creating the additional function for that. So here we have to create the function above the here. Okay, here the same function we copy this one. Instead of writing, you have to copy from here, right. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Edit function we have to paste here. Now what I'm going to do is here this one I'm going to change it as a edit delete. This one change it as a delete. Here we no need this ones, this codes we no need. We get the ID and delete the records. We delete ID also, we need ID only. So this one we no need it, right. This is the only thing we are needed. Now we are going to SQL query I am going to change, right. Now the ID is on which text box? ED4 text box. This text box means which text box? This one here. Okay, so this is assigned to this variable. You are passing the variable here. The record should be deleted. So here passing here. So here I am going to node 4. It's one. Only one record available. So we have to write the delete query. Delete from which table you are going to delete the records? Records. The table name RECORD records where ID equal question mark. You have to write the prepare statement like this, right. That's the only thing you have to write here. Record deleted, right. That's the thing we have to write. Okay, success. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. The very simple code we have to write. Okay, we are getting the ID and delete the entire row. Okay, we're getting the delete from records table. We are going to delete the records where ID, we have to get the ID from the text box. Which ID you are selecting, that ID will be, we are deleting entire row. Get the ID and delete the entire row. That's that codes I wrote here. Okay, let's check whether it's working fine or not. This delete function, Control C to copy, Control V to paste inside the B2 on click listener. Right, very simple. Now you can run the app. I explained very simple codes. You must try. It's worked fine. This very professional code. Right now, click view. Now I am going to delete this record. This empty record I am going to delete. If you click this one, just go here, click delete button, record deleted, go back here, this record. Now I am going to delete this record. Click this one, just go to the page successfully, click delete button, record deleted, back here, the record should be deleted successfully. I hope you guys understood the CRUD system well. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.